Hi, I'm Scott with TRAX Software. Efficient and effective handling of animal groups is an essential part of collection management for both aquariums and zoos. While TRAX incorporates time-saving features for batch records and temporary animal lists, TRAX also addresses true groups of animals. By animal group, we mean a group of animals of the same species who are not uniquely identifiable, who are in the same enclosure, and who as a group share one accession number. Let's take a look. Managing group data presents unique challenges. TRAX supports animal groups with the same comprehensive features that are available for individual animals. For groups, TRAX allows you to record inventory data, media attachments, animal journal records, medical data, and lab data. You can also include group data in reports. Validation features throughout TRAX help keep complicated group populations, events, and animal care records accurate. And tools in the program help you keep track of the relationships between animals that are in groups or have been in groups. Here we have a group, Fish 01, open in TRAX. You can see the modules that are available for this group. For example, here are the inventory modules, and here are the hospital modules. In TRAX, changes in group populations are easy to handle, and the program prevents illogical data entry, such as ending up with a negative population for a group. Let's take a look at how TRAX prevents that. If we go to the Events module and select Move a portion of a group to a new enclosure, choose a new enclosure, and then try to move an incorrect population number, TRAX notifies us that we are creating a negative population number. But know that, when necessary, TRAX also offers a forgiving option that completely resets a group's population, without requiring justification for the changes. TRAX has options for detailed life stage tracking for groups. If life stage tracking is enabled, a group's population will be organized into specific life stage categories. Do you need to separate an entire group into individual animals? Split out a group member and convert it to an individual? Split a group for a loan? Move a portion of the group to a new enclosure, leaving the remainder where they are? TRAX handles all of these events and maintains links between related animals. Let's move a portion of this group from the polar bear pool to the monkey pool. TRAX supports keeping the current accession number for a group being split off, giving a split group a completely new accession number, and merging a split group into another group of the same taxonomy. TRAX maintains a record of animals linked through splits and merges. Navigational hyperlinks between originating groups and their related animals easily convey the history of relationships between animals. And the Group Chart module provides a visual record of the relationships between groups. You can add new animal groups easily in TRAX, and TRAX supports multi-parent data. You can also record important husbandry data for groups. An inventory wizard assists animal staff with providing accurate data for moving and splitting groups, as well as animal journal notes for groups, enrichment data for groups, including by enclosure, and feeding for groups, including by enclosure. Medical and lab features also handle group data. To help medical staff research cases, animals with any kind of group history have these related health records readily accessible in their vet journal records. You can see this additional tab, Group History. It provides vet journal records that apply to groups that the currently open animal may have been part of. Here you can see we have Fish 04 open in the database, and that its Group History tab includes records from the groups Fish 03 and Fish 01, groups related to Fish 04. Managing groups requires the ability to record more than one necropsy per accession number, which TRAX supports, as you can see in the necropsy module for the group Fish 01. TRAX also supports lab tests for groups to enhance medical care. And, as you can see here, you can also include group data in many TRAX reports. TRAX software efficiently addresses the challenges of tracking groups and keeping linked animal data integrated and accessible. By incorporating the tools you need to manage this complex data, TRAX helps you provide the very best care for the animal groups at your zoo or aquarium.